Being a hero kasi, it requires sacrifices. So yun yung nakita ko kay Miss Lenny, I saw her efforts and her dedication sa kanyang trabaho.
I'm Lenny Tomas. I am the Shared HR Manager of URC Packaging Group. I'm a people person at work. My purpose really is to make sure that our people are happy working with URC. Very clear yan sa akin that when people are happy working in a company, it goes without saying that the customers will be happy, the clients and the company will be happy, the products are in good quality.
Hindi niya po kasi tinitignan yung work niya as a job. For her kasi it's a vocation. So mafe-feel mo talaga sa kanya yung deep sense of purpose niya at saka dedication dun sa work niya. Yung top priority kasi talaga niya is employee well-being. Yun yung lagi niyang tinuturo sa amin. And then when treating employees, kailangan fairly and equally talaga siya no matter kung anumang position yun tsaka responsibility.
This specific incident happened way back 2019. I was not expecting any recognition, much more considered as a hero. I think anyone will do what I did. Kasi ang unang inisip ko talaga at the time was, buhay ito. That's beyond my control. But there are things around in that incident that is within my control. So what I did, what was necessary.
So nangyari noon, papasok yung mga panggabi noon, 6 to 6, dito sa Simlong, sa planta. Dinaril nga yung driver. Ngayon, katabi ngayon si Sauro, yung unahan, lumusot yung bala sa kanya. So tumawag sila ng ambulansya, then sinamahan nila sa ospital. Pinakamalapit na ospital sa Nazaret. Then kinusap ko yung doktor, so kailangan daw ng 40,000 para daw ma-operahan. So doon ko naisip si Ma'am Lenny.
Walang change yung costume. Pangtulog talaga, diretso jump, susi, eyeglasses, wallet, diretso na sa hospital. Pagdating ko doon, the driver who was also shot and our employee magkatabi, full blood. Right after I gave the official receipt, move ka agad yun. Nurses, everything. I decided, sabi ko, please stay put ang production supervisor. I'll drive to Manila and ask for financial assistance. And then, diretso balik Batangas. I went directly to our employee. Sabi niya, masakit pa talaga dito. So, kinausap ko ang doctor, may nakuha bang bala? Sabi niya, wala. Baka lumabas. Sabi ko, bakit hindi natin ipa-x-ray ulit? So, pina-x-ray. Siyempre, malakas ang loob ko. I have money na. So, pina-x-ray. Nakita dito yung bala. So, another operation took place in the morning na the following day, natanggal na yung bala. So alam ko na safe na ang empleyado namin kasi he was okay after the operation.
Grateful po ako kay Miss Lenny. Hindi po dahil sa kanya, hindi po mapaprocess yung operation ko that time. Wala po talaga eh. Blank talaga po ako nun. Ang niisip ko lang po talaga that time ay yung family ko. Tinuturing ko po silang hero. Kasi kung di po dahil sa kanila, siguro po wala po ako ngayon dito eh.
The learnings that we had from that incident are so valuable.
Hindi lang kasi yung gunshot incident yung nangyari. Like yung sa fire, dito sa BOPP, nandito din siya noon. Meron din kaming mga accident and then siya yung nakikipag-negotiate dun sa mga police or doon sa nakabangga, dun sa employee, mga ganun.
It's a humbling experience. It made me realize more that the company itself is not sleeping. They really see or recognize actions or performances worthy of recognitions. Sa department ko mismo, even simple liquidation, I make it a point, lahat to be transparent, to be honest, up to the last centavo. Another one is donations from suppliers. Lahat yan, kahit less than 2,000 declared yun. In your everyday task, you have to include or ipasok mo talaga ang integrity. While we are in this organization, and even if you will retire, always value integrity in whatever you do. Mahirap mag-maintain ng malinis na pangalan. Sa isang iglap, mawawala yun kapag ma-compromise ang integrity mo.